We love the EufyMake E1, but resin odors can quickly take the joy out of creating. Traditional enclosures work, but at the cost of your valuable space. Meet LumiMask, the expandable enclosure designed exclusively for the EufyMake E1. The durable, retractable tunnel expands smoothly while maintaining excellent enclosure around your printer. Unlike traditional enclosures, LumiMask stays compact while you're printing on the small bed, taking up only a fraction of the space. Designed around the EufyMake E1, LumiMask makes moving from the small bed to the large bed feel seamless, so you can spend less time setting up and more time creating. LumiMask is designed to work with your printer. Thoughtfully designed cutouts give you uninterrupted access to every port and control whenever you need it. Engineered with a premium push-to-open mechanism, LumiMask delivers smooth, reliable operation with every use. LumiMask also features adjustable airflow controls, reinforced ribs, robust scissor supports, and premium heavy-duty bearing sliders. Take your setup even further. LumiMask supports a top-mounted vent, or Aero 5, our premium activated carbon filtration system, designed to help reduce resin odors without external ducting. We've reimagined what a resin printer enclosure can be. Now we need your help to bring LumiMask to creators everywhere. Back LumiMask on Kickstarter today and be among the first to experience a smarter way to print.